Hello and welcome. Today we are going to talk about English pronouns. Pronouns are words that replace nouns. They help us avoid repetition and they make our speech more natural and fluent. There are many types of pronouns in English, but today we will focus on three main types: personal pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, and possessive pronouns. Let's start with personal pronouns. Personal pronouns refer to people or thing. They change depending on their role in the sentence. First, subject pronouns. They are also called nominative pronouns. Subject pronouns perform the action. They answer the questions who or what. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. For example, I am a student. She lives in Kiev. They are happy. Now let's talk about object pronouns. Object pronouns receive the action. They answer questions like whom or what. Me, you, him, her, it, us, them. For example, he saw me. I gave her a book. Listen to them. Next are demonstrative pronouns. They show which object we are talking about and how far it is from the speaker. This, that, these, those. This is used for one thing near you. That is used for one thing far away. These are for many things near you. Those are for many things far away. This is my pen. That is his car. These are my friends. Those are their houses. Finally, possessive pronouns. First, possessive adjectives. They always come before a noun. My, your, his, her, its, our, their. This is my book. Her name is Anna. Their house is big. Now, possessive pronouns. They replace the noun. Now, noun is needed after them. Mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs. This book is mine. Is this car yours? The house is theirs. Pronouns need practice. Use tables and make your own sentences. Always pay attention to the context. Understanding pronouns will make your English clearer and much more natural. Thank you for watching. See you next time.